video, let's learn the basic wrap design for your gift box. While it's good to learn the basic wrap method, I would strongly recommend that you don't miss the style if you really want that special look for the gift box of yours. You can check out other videos in the series to learn cooler wrapping methods. Alright, let's get started now. So, this is how the gift box looks after the basic wrap. Hope you all found this video useful. See you all in another session with a cool wrapping method. Till then, stay tuned to What's Your Hobby?